Absolutely. Let's elevate the journey to payouts into a truly captivating narrative, weaving in the critical details of the treasury while emphasizing every mandatory step the hero must take to unlock the flow of gold. This is the epic tale of Stripe verification and the payouts awakening. The epic tale of Stripe verification and the payouts awakening. Chapter 1: The birth of identity. In the realm of digital commerce, every aspiring merchant must first establish their true identity. The wise guardian, Stripe, demands absolute clarity before granting passage to the treasury. The hero begins by declaring the fundamental nature of their quest. Business_type. A declaration. Are you an individual adventurer, a vast company, a guild of merchants, a non-profit, or an official entity? This single answer determines the path of trials ahead. Business_profile linked to .url. The magical doorway to your enterprise, your website. This proves your endeavor is real and visible to the world. Business_profile linked to .mcc, the merchant category code. This is your quest classification. Are you selling enchanted swords, potions, or magical software? Stripe must know your trade for assessment. If the hero commands a company, a guild, the identity must be anchored by stone and law. Link to company.name and company. Address, the official legal anchor points for the guild. Company link to .tax_id or company. Registration_number. The mark of recognition. A unique number proving the sovereign kingdom acknowledges the guild as legitimate. Company. Owners_provided. A solemn oath confirming that the identities of all rulers, 25% plus owners, have been revealed. Chapter 2: The people behind the power. A business is nothing without its guiding hands. Stripe demands to know the key individuals who hold the authority. For the individual adventurer, the self is the sole focus. First_name, last_name, DOB, the age of maturity, and address, along with contact details, email and phone. For the company, a roll call of allegiance is required. The representative, the person authorized to speak for the guild. Relationship. Representative equals true. The owners, the secret rulers who hold 25% or more of the company's fate. They must declare relationship. Owner equals true and reveal their precise %_ownership. The executives, high wizards or strategists with special control over the realm's operations. Chapter 3: The Scrolls of Proof. Names and oaths are not enough, proof must be provided. Stripe demands sight of the scrolls of verification. Identity scrolls. The hero, and every required person, must present verification. Document. Front and verification. Document. Back. Scans of government-issued IDs, proving their faces match their declared identities. These are represented by file_. Tokens. Corporate scrolls. If the automated magic fails, or the local laws demand it, the company itself must present its articles of incorporation or registration certificates. Company. Verification. Document. Chapter 4: The Treasury. The Secret Keys of Gold. The trials of identity are complete. Now comes the crucial step, connecting the stream of incoming digital gold to a physical vault. Stripe demands the secret keys to the external bank account. Every key must be precise, for a single error means the treasure is lost in the banking ether. Account_holder_name, the name of the key holder. Stripe verifies this against the bank's records to ensure only the rightful owner can receive the deposit. Account_holder_type. Is the vault secured by an individual or guarded by the company, the guild? Country and currency. Where the coins live and on what denomination, USD, EUR, CAD, etc. Now, the flow mechanism, the secret keys themselves. The global GPS, IBAN, for vaults across the EU, UK, and many other global kingdoms, Stripe requires the International Bank Account Number, IBAN. This long code is the universal GPS coordinate that precisely maps the journey from Stripe's realm directly to your vault, regardless of border. The local combination lock, routing, account, in lands like the US, the flow is local. Stripe requires two separate keys, the routing number, identifying the specific river, bank, and the account number, pointing to the exact chest, vault. Together, they form the magical key combination. Both digits must be perfect. Without these completed and validated keys, Stripe cannot entrust the gold, and the business remains full of riches on paper, but the vault remains empty. Chapter 5: The Pact, the Powers, and the Awakening. With the treasury secured, the hero completes the final, binding obligations to the wise guardian. The Pact, TOS. The hero must swear fealty by accepting the terms of service. This is recorded by the TOS_acceptance. Date, the timestamp of the binding, and the TOS_acceptance. IP, the magic mark of where the oath was given. The powers granted, capabilities. The hero must explicitly request the abilities necessary to operate. Capabilities. Transfers. Requested equals true. This is the power of payouts, the ability to receive the gold. Without this line of power, the treasury remains locked. Capabilities. Card_payments. Requested equals true. The power to accept digital gold from customers, usually requested. Once every field is completed, every scroll is verified, every key is true, Stripe grants the final permissions. Charges_enabled equals true, and, triumphantly, payouts_enabled equals true. The hero's journey is complete. The digital gold begins to flow.